These are valid commands for Jarvis. Format. Command aliases for command. What can I do for you?
Okay, oh, no more error, no more error. Okay, let's see. Clock.
Rhinox 6056 44 2020. What can I do for you?
Pause. Info.
Hence look upon 192.168.100.51. Connection time out. No
Okay.
servers could be reached.
Yes.
To this look upon 192.168.100.51. Could not run to this look upon coast 192.168.100.51. Ping 192.168.100.51. What can I do for you? I could not identify your command. What can I do for you?
Okay, good job. You are correct. There was no internet connection, Jarvis. Okay, let's see. Give me some jokes.
What is Benoit V. Mandelrot's middle name? Benoit V. Mandelrot. What can I do for you?
Again.
If loving you is ROM, I don't wanna rewrite. What can I do for you?
Again.
Pirates go hard. Computer pirates go hard. What can I do for you? How
Again.
come there is no obfuscated Perl contest? Because everyone would win. What can I do for you?
Okay, let's see. Where am I?
What can I do for you?
Let's try.
Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk thought faster? Asterisk thought slower. What can I do for you?
Okay, let's see. Talk faster.
What can I do for you?
Okay, we talk more faster. Okay, let's see.
Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk phone code? What can I do for you?
Okay, phone call.
Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk code off? What can I do for you?
Phone call. So.
Time code for country America.
No.
What can I do for you?
Okay, let's see.
List of local addresses. Public it V4 address. Public it V6 address. What can I do for you?
Okay, good job. open.
Available option mark. What can I do for you?
Open.
What can I do for you?
Okay. Wrong. Hmm. Tell.
Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk Joe? What can I do for you? Not any D was named not any D so that it wouldn't show up in a Unix directory listing. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk country with? What can I do for you? Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk with dial? Asterisk with phone? Asterisk with dialing? What can I do for you? Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk dialing code? What can I do for you? I'm country with code. What can I do for you? Canada, United States. What can I do for you?
Okay, let's try 21.
Japan. What can I do for you?
Okay.
I'm country with code plus 911. What can I do for you? India. What can I do for you? I'm country with code plus 13. What can I do for you? I'm country with code plus 17. What can I do for you? I could not identify your command. What can I do for you? These are valid commands for Jarvis. Format. Command aliases for command. What can I do for you?
Let's try website with no connection website.
Sorry, I can't open this link. What can I do for you?
Website.
What can I do for you?
Good job. Let's try Twitter.
You are not connected to internet. What can I do for you?
Good job. Do you need timer to do? Let's try to do.
No entry. What can I do for you?
Give.
Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk give me? What can I do for you?
Okay. Give me.
Sorry, I could not recognize your command. Did you mean asterisk me advice? What can I do for you?
Okay. Give me advice. Oh, 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 you. Hmm? Hmm? Yeah.
What can I do for you?
You code.
Disclaimer. This product uses the Census Eurodata API, but is not endorsed or certified by the Census Bureau. Geocoding converts street addresses to geographic latitude and longitude. To use this tool, you can enter a street address in this form: street number, street name, city, state, zip. For example,
Okay.
1000 Main Street, Los Angeles, car, 90,012. Currently, this tool only works for addresses in the United States.
Okay. New Jersey.
The geocoding service appears to be unavailable. Please try again later. What can I do for you?
Mm. Done.
I could not identify your command. What can I do for you?